So the last few days have been really difficult for us, and I wasn't even sure whether I was going to talk about here or not, but here we go. So little V's nanny just left. No information, nothing, no letting us know earlier what problem she had. She just left. So we hired the nanny back in February, and little V was very attached to her, and she was like kind of a best friend. She used to feed him, they used to play together, nap together, like spend time. I used to go for some work, for shoots or anything. She was there, and the attachment was really strong, at least on Little V's part. I literally had no idea that she wasn't enjoying this because it always seemed that she cared a lot for Little V, and they used to play and laugh, and I thought I have just found the perfect person for my baby, perfect person to take care of my baby. So her leaving all of a sudden was a shock to us, and definitely a greater shock to little V. His routine has been disrupted like anything. He's refusing meals, he's getting cranky, and he is definitely missing his nanny, or at least he doesn't understand what is going. He doesn't know how to process this, because to him that particular person was a friend who would play with him and just spend a lot of time with him. Even me now talking about this is making me kind of emotional. I'm just holding my tears. Not because the nanny left, but seeing my little baby struggle every day. And it's been a week, but little B is finding it very tough to adjust. Somehow there has been a little improvement because we as parents are giving him a lot of time. Yes, I'm not able to get so much of my work done because I have to be there with him constantly. Nap time, my in laws handle it, but then once he wakes up, he has to be around me. I have to take care of his meal. I have to sit down and like make sure he eats or whatever the process is, and then I have to give him undivided attention because at that time he stays really high on energy and just goes here and there. Still doesn't walk properly, so he keeps falling down here and there, and that is the most active time. That makes doing anything impossible. मॉर्निंग में जैसे तैसे हो जाता है, but as the day goes it becomes difficult. So we talk about it, and then we thought we should hire another nanny, and we just told people around, asked around, because we are not definitely in form of hiring from an agency, because we haven't heard very good reviews of it. Now this person comes to me through a reference. She says that she was working in a daycare, and then like the number of children were less, so they did not need her anymore in the daycare, and she came with her sister, and she sounded decent. We talked to her, we discussed everything, whatever we thought. That's a good lady. She sounds like a good lady. She talks, she is answering everything as we expect. So we'll keep her. At least we'll try for a week. And then comes the next day, and I could not even go one day with that. I don't want to talk like what she did or what was there in particular. But what affected me the most was the environment she was creating for my baby was not proper. I did not like her overall, being when actually she joined the work, how she was talking on the phone and the kind of, conversations she was having, and she was very loud. So I thought maybe if I'll tell her, she'll learn, and that's not how we deal in this household. So maybe she'll learn. But then what affected me was she kept judging me about how I bathe my child, what I feed him, how I feed him, what is the quantity, and should I breastfeed him or not, and how to put him to sleep. Should I feed him first and put him to sleep, or let him sleep? How much water should he drink? Like I was being judged on every little point, and I just could not. I just could not, because that was being very difficult. Already I am having problems, and I need someone to help me out with my baby. And rather the person you reach out for help, they start judging you. So I cried. I literally came to my room and I cried when she constantly kept judging me. And I think somehow she sensed it that I did not feel right. And at one point, even I said that I'm not feeling okay the way you are telling me that I'm not doing things right. Overall, it became mentally exhausting, and I had to let her go in just one day because मुझे पता था कि अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं. And that's what. And again, we have no nanny, no help for the whole day, and कैसे भी करके हम लोग मैनेज कर रहे हैं. So God give us strength and power. Basically, getting any work done has become very difficult, and even I'm shooting this while he's taking his nap. And there are tons of other things to be done as well. So let's end this vlog, but I'll wait for little V because he loves being on camera these days. And once he's here, we'll end this vlog together. You know, actually, the hardest part isn't like managing things all alone. Like, yeah, my husband and I, we team up really great to take care of our baby. Yes, there's a little bit of mismanagement of time because we were, scheduled in one way and things are just going here and there, but that's okay. It will take some few more days and it will all be fine. But it's the part that my baby doesn't understand what is going on, and this change for him has been very hard. He doesn't understand where his friend went away, and he just doesn't understand that why is that particular person not coming. And before I break into tears, I'm going to stop this here and let's wait for little V. So guys, our naughty little V is here. Just look at his face. I said उसको आजकल कैमरा के सामने बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So I had to bring him in front of the camera and see उसको पता है कि ये hair में लगाया जाता है hair band है करके. Okay, now he's running away. Nanny नहीं है, but little V is spending a lot of time with mama and papa and he's really enjoying it. देखो और शैतानी बढ़ता जा रहा है उसका. So with this, let's end the vlog here and we'll meet in the next one and hopefully we'll find a good nanny and a good friend for little V. Bye bye.